Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the critical materials and equipping the blowgun so you can apply poison quickly. First, collect bamboo, oil, and powder. Make sure you have at least 5 darts pre-crafted. Next, open the tool's wheel and assign the blowgun to a quick slot. This saves time during engagements. Once done, verify your darts are set to the poison type in your inventory. Doing these steps now prevents fumbling mid-fight and lets you focus on aiming and deployment immediately. Now move into position and commit to a stealth-first approach to maximize poison effectiveness. Crouch in cover or tall grass and close to about 8 to 12 meters. That range keeps your shots accurate while keeping you hidden. Then aim for torso or limb. These hit zones let poison apply reliably, and stacking occurs more quickly with follow-up darts. Meanwhile, deploy distractions like a flute or kunai to split patrols. This isolates single enemies, so you can finish them while poison does the heavy. Finish the encounter by letting poison do consistent damage while you prepare a cleanup strike. After hitting with 1 or more darts, wait about 4 to 6 seconds for poison ticks to reduce health. During that window, close in to deliver a melee execution or use a heavy attack to preserve resources. If poison seems weak, equip ghost perks that boost toxin duration or damage. If darts keep missing, move a little closer, steady your aim, or upgrade the blowgun to improve accuracy and hit consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.